is teaming up with Nike Basketball for a special edition Air Force 1 Low NY vs NY, just ahead of the 2024-25 NBA season. The sneaker pays tribute to New York City's iconic streetball tournament, known for showcasing top high school talent and exclusive footwear drops. The pair showcases a sleek black and gum colorway, with black nubuck panels, tumbled leather swooshes, white rope laces, and powder blue accents on the lace dubrae and insole branding. A stacked NY vs NY embroidery on the heel tab highlights its direct connection to the event, while the gum outsole provides durability and contrast. Unlike Morant's Jaw 1, this release skips his personal logo, keeping attention on the NYC basketball story. The design blends Nike heritage with Morant's rising influence, with release details expected to hit Nike.com in early fall.